How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for citi.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Costco Citi. Now, in order to log yourself in, you will see the login portal on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and enter your user ID and password, and if you want the device to remember your login details, then select the Remember User ID checkbox and then tap on the Sign On button, and with this, you will be logged in to Costco Citi Card online successfully. Also, just in case if you have forgotten your user ID or password, then you can always tap on the Forgot User ID or Password option and recover your login credentials and log in further. And if you do not have an account yet, or if you have not activated your account yet, then you can tap on the Register or Activate option respectively and follow the on-screen prompts further. So, this is how you can log in to Costco Citi Card online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.